Hello, my name is Brooke Lee. I'm originally from Grand Island, but I live here in Kearney right now for the school year. I'm double majoring in elementary and early childhood education. My favorite comfort food would probably be like chicken Alfredo, but also ice cream. One interesting thing about me is that I do color guard for the Pride of the Plains marching band, and I am one of the two captains this year. And when I think of math, I think of all of my math teachers that I've had in the past from like middle school and high school. I feel like all of the math teachers that I was lucky enough to have were just very passionate about teaching, about their students, about math, and it just made the whole overall idea of math like more exciting, and I didn't hate it. I actually really like math. It's just that sometimes I don't feel like I am the best at it or like good enough to like minor or major just in math. But definitely if I wasn't going into like elementary education, I would low-key look into like middle school math area, because that is when I found my love for math. So in the future, I just hope that my love for math that was found in middle school, I can find that in the elementary grades for my future classrooms.